Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Lauren if you're new here, and today we're doing a what to eat in a day. So starting with morning coffee, I'm doing iced coffee this morning, which I actually haven't done iced coffee in weeks, if not months, or a month. This is a double espresso pod from my Nespresso. I don't know why I'm choking those words out. So yeah, double espresso shot. And then I'm going to go in with protein shake. This is just the Core Power vanilla one. I've tried all the flavors. All of them are good. I prefer the vanilla. And I love the vanilla in coffee. It's the best combo to me. So this is 26 grams of protein and 170 calories. And I just pour as much as I can fit and then bring the rest, which is probably like, oh, I spilled some. Probably like to here, and I'll just add that at the end once there's room. So starting strong with a coffee, I'm going to bring leftovers for lunch, which is just last night I made a balsamic chicken and veggie like pan meal in the oven and cooked some rice in the microwave. So easy. So I'm going to take that with me, have that for lunch. I already have some snacks and stuff at the office, so I'll share that with you. Yogurt, stuff like that, maybe some chips, some little snackies, but we've got to head out. This is the work outfit, just like a black, it's actually like a tied shirt, has like this elastic, and I just threw this little jacket over it. I have no idea where this jacket's from. My friend gave it to me. I think she got it at TJ Maxx, and then I'm just wearing it with black jeans and black like mules shoes. So I'm gonna grab my lunch and head out the door. We're running late and we have to get to the office. Here are my leftovers, and I actually filmed on my Instagram how to make this, so let me show you that. Okay, just threw in some chicken tenders and seasoned them the same way I'm about to show you, but this is what we're doing for dinner. Sort of a balsamic garlic chicken situation with vegetables, and I might cook up a little rice as well. But I have some frozen green beans, just a half of a huge yellow squash, and then I've already dusted those with salt and a little olive oil. And I'm going to go in with these cherry tomatoes. So good. I'm a big tomato girl, so a lot of those. I'm going to dust a little olive oil. Go in with some garlic pepper just all over. Love a good seasoning. Okay, looks good. Then I'm going to dump this balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and garlic mixture all over. And I'm going to throw this in the oven. It's at 420 for about 20 minutes. Hey y'all, so I just got home from the office, home from work, about to go in. Morgan's here. We'll see what we're getting up to tonight. We're either going to go to the gym together, or if he still has work to do and can't go, I'm going to do a workout at home. If I'm doing home workouts lately, I just try to do like a 30-minute dumbbell workout, and then I get on my treadmill for 30 minutes. And that is what I do. So I did like a full body yesterday. So today I'm either going to do legs. I'll probably do legs today, I feel like. So I kind of hope we go to the gym because I feel like I'll get a better leg workout because I do like a lot of the leg machines. But we'll see. We might work out at home. And if we do, I'll definitely be able to film that. So we'll see how the night ends up. We're doing like a pasta thing tonight, I think, with some squash. I'm going to do like a turkey. I'm going to cook up some ground turkey, add a red sauce, cook up some noodles, just do like a bowl style thing. So we'll see how that turns out. But we've made it through the workday, and now we can go in. Thank you for that introduction, Hutchie. Okay, I'm about to walk on the treadmill. I said I was going to do a workout, and I don't want to. I literally don't want to. Especially because I want to do legs today. But yesterday, when I did that full body workout, doing squats and stuff in here on this floor, I don't know if it's the floor or just, I don't know. Squats are not my favorite and different things like that. But I was noticing a little of that sciatic pain. If you're new here, I get this pain in my back, and it, like, you know, sciatic pain. It just is like a nerve pain in your back, like butt area, and it freaking hurts. And mine has been gone for a while, and I don't want to bring it back, so I'm like nervous to do like all legs and feel like it's coming back. So I guess you could say I'm using that as an excuse. I'm also not in the mood. So I told myself I'm going to walk though every single day, workout or not. I need to walk for at least 30 minutes. So I'm about to do that right now. Get this all set up and ready to rock. I also need to take my walking pad that I bought. That's actually what this big box is back here. I bought a walking pad for my desk at work, and I finally got my standing desk all set up, so we're ready to take it to work. So I need to remember that tomorrow, try to get that set up so I can get a few steps in while I'm at the office and not have to sit down all day, which also should help my sciatic pain. Good to get steps in, but also just to help my back get stronger and avoid the like desk sitting that eventually messes up my back. So I learned yesterday that I can read while I'm walking, which is nice because I can just put my phone on this little ledge and I don't even have to hold on. I can just walk and read, and it's awesome. And the 30 minutes yesterday went by really quickly because I'm in a really good book series right now. I'm reading Zodiac Academy. It's like werewolves and vampires and that kind of thing. And they're like, it's essentially like a college vibe. But I'm on book 5 and I think there's 11 books. They're really long and I'm really enjoying the series. So I'm in the middle of that. I'm gonna read for a little while and then me and Morgan are going to make some dinner. Also, I haven't even shown you guys, I got home today and he surprised me with flowers. So I'll show you those at dinner. They're so stunning. They're just in the kitchen. What a sweetie. Really didn't see that coming. Just kind of like a random Wednesday. Love that for me. So sweet, sweet guy. But yeah, he's just hanging out. I'm gonna get my walk in and then we'll have some dinner. Okay, ended up walking completely in the dark as the sun went down, but I did 2 miles in about 45 minutes, 46 minutes total. Okay, here are the beautiful yellow roses that Morgan got me. He just surprised me with those. How freaking cute is that? And he even put them in this vase. Obsessed. What a sweetie. I've got some water boiling over here and I'm heating up a large pan. In the pan, I'm gonna cook up this ground turkey, season it, salt, pepper, garlic, some Italian seasoning probably, and then we will dump the sauce right in there. So that will be the meat sauce. I think I'm gonna use this Trader Joe's pasta, probably about half the bag, maybe a little over half. I'm gonna do a smaller portion of pasta so that I can do some yellow squash with mine. That's gonna kind of be the bulk, but I am gonna have some pasta as well. And Morgan will have probably all pasta. He doesn't love squash all that much. So that's the plan. I do have some cottage cheese also to add to this. And I will probably add in the Trader Joe's Italian sofrito seasoning blend. Love that stuff. And then the garlic pepper. McCormick's has a version of this as well. Also super good, but I'm probably going to use that. You already know Cavender's I use on almost everything. I thought I had a McCormick's seasoning. Someone was asking about this seasoning the other day, but this is the one that we use. Got the pasta boiling. I moved the turkey just for now so I can cook up my squash separately. Give this a quick season. All right, I cooked the squash to my liking. I'm gonna throw the turkey back in. And also go in with the sauce we're using, which is just this tomato basil one. I'm gonna add a little water to the jar to get everything out. Gonna just bring this to a simmer and let it thicken now that I've added a little bit of water. It's already still pretty thick, but I am gonna add a little seasoning. We'll go in with some basil and oregano, a little parsley for fun. And I want a little more sauce, so I'm gonna add in just about a 1/4 cup, maybe about, 1/4 cup of pasta water. And we'll just get this simmering. All right, so here is the final product. I made way more pasta than I needed to, but that's okay because pasta leftovers are always so, so good. Then I have my bowl right here. I added all the squash, a little bit of Parmesan. I know my bowl isn't quite as beautiful as this, but that is dinner for tonight. All right, y'all, we're about to have a little dessert. Morgan's gonna have some too. The Hold the Cones from Trader Joe's. These are so good. I'm probably gonna have 1 or 2 of them. I'm not sure. And they're so cute. Cheers. I've been peeling my nails off too.
These are so good.
They're so good. We love them.